Hi, good day all. This is Asa from Mince Trinkets, and thank you very much for joining me for today's episode. We are going to learn to make these envelopes, and this envelopes was made using napkin and real pressed flowers. It's very sturdy, and you can use it for so many different things. It's like a little pouch. You can put your letters. It's cute to give to your pen pals. It's just used as a pouch, so many different things. So this one was made using fern. This one was made using a leaf with little purple, natural, all natural, using a wild bush from the back of my garden. And this cost so little to do. All it's going to cost you is napkins and free pressed flowers. So it's really quick, really easy. As usual, stay with me and let's get started. And for our first pressed flower paper, we are going to be using fern, good old lovely fern that we all love. And I just picked this off my back garden. So first, before you begin, you're going to spread a piece of plastic. And now we're going to spread a piece of napkin, and this is a ply of the napkin. You can use any regular white napkin with a smooth surface. Now we just layer our fern on the napkin. A random layout, a random look is good. Just lay it out randomly, just like how you would like your paper to look. Spread it apart. A nice scattered random look. And now we're going to place some Mod Podge on our napkin. And it has to be Mod Podge. Place it right on top where we have our leaves. So go ahead and just continue layering your Mod Podge right on the fern, and also layer the Mod Podge on the napkin. Now after we have placed the Mod Podge on our fern and on our napkin, we place another napkin, layer it on top, and we gently press it down. Be gentle with this process because we don't want our napkin to tear. And just leave it to dry. And now we move on to our second one. Now this is similar to like a wheat. Oops. One of those wheat grasses that grow wild. Just picked it from my garden. So we repeat the same process. Use a napkin. Place Mod Podge on it. I'm using a dowel's brush here. And paste on your Mod Podge to seal. Seal this in. Put a generous amount of Mod Podge. Now place another napkin equally and tap it down gently because we don't want it to tear. And we're going to leave it to dry. And now we move on to our last one. We're just going to place some green and purple leaves, pretty cute leaves, in a random order. Then we're going to place some Mod Podge on the leaves to seal it in. Now we're going to place another napkin on top of our, press it down. Be gentle, we do not want it to tear. And we're going to leave it to dry. This is a finished image of our pressed flower on our napkin, and you can just peel it off. It peels off quite easy, and it's pretty firm, pretty sturdy, and there are many uses that you can use this for. And there is our fern. Now I let mine dry for 24 hours. You can see there, all nice. Our fern is there. And this is the other one. This is the one that we did with the leaves. And you can see the nice purple leaves on the front and back. And like I said, pretty sturdy. And this is our last one. You see how nice it looks, and it's smooth, can't tear. Lots of uses you can use this for. And if you want any additional reinforcement, you can just add more of the Mod Podge to the back and to the front of your paper, of course, letting them dry at least 24 hours. Babes, So I've gone ahead and folded my envelope. Now I'm just going to use some Fabi-Tac just to seal the edges together. And after doing that, I'm going to press it down with the bone folder just to secure it. And this is our envelope. So I'm just going to do the same for the other two. And now we're going to add one tiny final touch, and this is just to embellish our envelopes. Just some little circle rounds. Use your scrap, use whatever you have, and just decorate your envelope as you see best. And this is our finished product. This is our finished item. It's really, really cute, and it can be used for so many things. And of course, very economical. So thank you for joining me.